Okay, so what we've done now is we've broken loose the transmission lines that were down at the bottom. The one on the left down here was a 19 millimeter. And then what I did is I quickly grabbed it and twisted it up here just to kind of lay it up in here. You can see it's kind of nasty. That is loose right now. It's not connected to anything up in there. It's just kind of just laying there. And then the same with the bottom one. Unfortunately, the bottom one is not the same size. It looks like that might be a 20 millimeter. So what I did is I just took loose the hose in that area right there, and I just pulled the hose up once again right away to make sure I didn't lose any transmission fluid or very, very little. And I just kind of shoved that up next to the case up in here. As you can see, it's just kind of laying in this area, and that just keeps it above the level that it was to make sure that no fluid is leaking out. So also in this radiator, it appears in this area here. So we're going to go pull this cover back that we loosened earlier. We're going to look down in here. So basically, when we move the radiator that is now loose, right in this area here, you can see there's this black kind of plastic case that moves with it. So let me see if I can get a view of this with the phone or not. So see the black plastic that is moving with it. That needs to come off because that contains other lines, and that is attached. So you can see there's a small bolt right in the front. I'm going to guess it's probably a 10 millimeter bolt on the front. So that needs to come off as well to make sure that we can get this radiator out of here without disturbing any other lines that might be in there currently. So we're going to take a couple minutes and do that on both sides because this is on both sides. And we will start the video back up in just a moment.